Lesson 10.1, Area of Parallelograms. The area of a figure is the number of square units needed to cover it without any gaps or overlaps. So, for example, a rectangle has a length of 4 and a width of 3. So you would multiply the length times the width in order to figure out the square units. So in this case, it would be 12 square units. Lorraine is making a quilt. She is using material in the shape of parallelograms to form the pattern. The base of each parallelogram measures 9 centimeters and the height measures 4 centimeters. What is the area of each parallelogram? Okay, so you don't have to necessarily draw or cuts or move. You can just refer to these pictures right over here. What is the area of the rectangle? And again, we're just adding the pieces on the side to kind of make it look like a rectangle. So it is 4 times 9, which is 36. And it is squared centimeters. Okay, what is the area of the parallelogram? Again, it breaks it down right here, but the base of the parallelogram is 9 centimeters. The height is 4. And so the area would be 36 square centimeters, or squared centimeters. For a parallelogram with a base and a height h, area equals base times height. Area of a parallelogram equals base times height equals 9 times 4 in this particular case, so therefore it'd be 36 squared centimeters. The area of each parallelogram in the quilt is therefore 36 square centimeters. Use the formula A equals B times H to find the area of the parallelogram. So they already give you the formula. You need to replace B and H with their values. So they already replaced the base with B with 6.3. So you need to replace H with 2.1. I did not multiply this beforehand, so we're gonna quickly do that. So we have 1 and 89/100ths. So the area of the parallelogram is 1 and 89/100ths square meters. Find the area of a square with sides measuring 9.5 centimeters. So the formula for the area of a square is just the two sides multiplied by each other, or you can do it to the second power, but either way you're just multiplying one side by another for a square. So substitute 9.5. Again, not using a calculator, so this one's a little harder. And we got 81/85. So it would be 90 and 25/100ths squared centimeters. Example number 3, a parallelogram has an area of 98 square feet and a base of 14 feet. What is the height of the parallelogram? So replace A, so we got 98, and replace B with the base, so we got 14. Therefore, we are doing the inverse operation in order to figure out H. So we're dividing 14 on both sides. That cancels out this side, so we just have an h. And again, didn't figure out this beforehand, so we're gonna trying to think what multiplied by 4 gives you h. I'm trying to think, let's see here. 7, we got 28. Yeah, so we got 7. So the height is 7 feet. And again, you can use the calculator. Okay, so you're doing numbers 1 through 6. Numbers 1 through 4, you're just finding the area of the figure. Numbers 5 and 6, you're finding the unknown measurement for the figure. Number 14, Jane's backyard is shaped like a parallelogram. The base of the parallelogram is 90 feet, and the height measured from the back of the yard to the front is 25 feet. What is the area of Jane's backyard? So you're looking at this image to help. Number 16, a playground is in the shape of a parallelogram with a base of 34 meters and a height of 20 meters. What is the area of the playground? Number 19, what is the area of a parallelogram with a base of 22 inches and a height of 48 inches?